The 2017
Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape.
This vehicle has less than 100 miles.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control,
Remote engine start, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, power liftgate,
keyless entry,
backup camera, Bluetooth.
If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.